Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to demonstrate that this one equal to this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s plus h. So we have the function in here. So in this situation, if we put s plus h, s will change to s plus h, s plus h. So we have s plus h square minus s plus h minus number 2. F of s, that's about this one. So we put this one going here. Now we need to expand this one. This one we need to open the parenthesis. So we have negative s, negative h. This one we need to open parenthesis and we need to change the sign in here. So we have negative s square, positive s, positive number 2. Negative number 2, positive number 2, they will cancel. Negative s square, positive s square, they will cancel. Positive s, negative s, they will cancel. Next, later that we do about factorization of this one. So we have h 2s plus h minus 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.